Hello, I'm Jennifer Castoldi of Trendease International, and today we're here with Michael Janica, who is the Director of Brand Management, Technical Textiles and Textile Processing of Messe Frankfurt. Thank you for joining us today. Why would it be interesting to someone who works in home fashion and the design industry to come to these shows?
More and more companies from the traditional areas, home textiles, but also apparel textiles, are looking into new business opportunities. And therefore we invented 12 application areas, from agri-tech to sport-tech, to make targeted marketing possible, because the materials are multifunctional, but the customers or potential customers require different type of information. You discover quite a lot. For example, technical textiles you find also in home furniture, non-wovens, for example, for upholstery, think of the backings of carpets and so on, or even glass fiber wall coverings. This is basically a technical textiles. We are also inviting our exhibitors to send in developments for the Textile and Text Process Innovation Awards, which will then be selected and awarded by an independent jury.
It's definitely a pair of shows that's all about inspiration and possibility, because I remember walking through and just going, oh, and you can do this, and the industry can develop that, and it's a great think tank.
Yeah. It's a huge think tank, and this is also given due to the interdisciplinary of the show, because being on the floor and as an exhibitor you meet architects, civil engineers, car designers, medical people, people from the sports industry, from the protection and security industry, so from, for example, NETIC or NASA. So this shows there are unlimited options for technical textiles and sometimes very surprising solutions and products.
So at Heimtextil, one of the big themes was about planetary exploration. So we saw the influence in textures and patterns, and also at Tech Textile and Tech Process, you've got something a little outer space-like coming too, don't you?
Yes, we have a very amazing project on the list, which is called Living in Space. Everybody is looking into the space, and you have to combine a lot of things. And the industry can provide a lot of solutions. We have said there are four, let's say, categories you need to think of when going for space. It's mobility, that means how to get up, how to get around, and maybe how to get down on a planet. The second one is clothing, for sure, because you need special dressing for going outer space and so on. Another one is what we call civilization, because if you're living on Mars to grow your plants, your potatoes, like Matt Damon did in the Martian, and so on. And last but not least, architecture, because you need to have housing to show up what could be possible, to open up visions, new idea, but also to entertain people, because the ideas we have in mind includes also a virtual reality show. So we will see, we are working on that.
So entertainment through virtual reality and inspiration through lots of different product applications.
Yes, and technical textiles, for sure. I remember a presentation of an expert saying that 70% of the applications where technical textiles can be used in are even not yet developed. And also we get more and more exhibitors as more and more companies, textile producers, are leaving the traditional areas and end up in technical textiles.
Well, Michael, thank you for taking some time out of your busy schedule to talk to us. And everyone else, you heard a bit about technical textiles, and that you should really, if you want to be innovative and forward-thinking and plan for the future, come to Messe Frankfurt in May and be wowed by all the possibilities from algae to outer space.